Hi, in this topic we are going to see how to schedule a job. My name is Avinash Pujari and I am an AIX consultant working with the goals in cloud technologies. Why we schedule a job? So why there is a need to schedule a job in real-time environment? So if we are doing if you are doing repetitive activity on a regular basis, it's better to schedule that one. It's better to automate that one. So simple definition to schedule a job is it is an automated piece of work that can be performed at either a particular time or a recurring schedule. So it saves a lot of time actually. That's why it's better to schedule a job. Then how it works? You can schedule a job to run in number of ways. So multiple ways are available to schedule a job. First one is if you want to run a job only once at a specified time, then once tomorrow at a specified time. If you want to run a job on a specific day at a particular time, that way also we can schedule it. Daily at a particular time, that is also supported, and on the next occurrence of a particular date and time. This way we can schedule a job, and each job can be scheduled to run on any number of occasions by using different job parameters if necessary. Example, you can schedule a job to run at a different times on a different days. The scheduled jobs are displayed in the job schedule view. How it works in AIX? So in AIX, Cron is the responsible daemon to start a job at a right time. So at the back end, the process name is the Cron who does the all the management of our scheduled jobs. Cron starts at a system boot time. So when we start the AIX operating system, this service gets started by default. Then cron checks cronf file after every 60 seconds. So 60 seconds is the minimal interval to schedule a job. Every user has a right to schedule their own job. So whenever we create a new user in AIX operating system, that user has a right to schedule his or her own job. By default, cron.deny file is available. Now, what is the meaning of this fifth sentence? In AIX, by default, every user has a right to schedule their own job. So if you want to restrict any specific user, you can put the entry of that user in this cron.deny file, and that user will not be able to schedule the job. That's why this file is available by default. And if you want, you can create this cron.allow file. By default, it is not available in AIX operating system. Now, cron.allow is very risky file, I would say, because let's say if we have 100 users and if we add a single user in this cron.allow file, what does that mean? Only one user can schedule a job. Rest of the 99 users cannot schedule their own job. Now why? Because in Unix it uses the most restrictive permission. So this rule is common in all Unix environment, and AIX it is also one of the Unix flavor. That's why this rule applies over here also. Now to schedule a job, there is a syntax available, and the syntax is minute, hour, day of month, month of year, day of week, and command. In minute, we can have values between 0 to 59. In hour, we can have values between 0 to 23. Day of month, minimum 1, maximum 31. Month of year, 1 to 12. So 1 to 12 is basically 1 means January and 12 means December. Day of week, it's 0 means Sunday, 6 means Saturday, and the command for in a practical we are going to use the wall command to see the scheduled jobs. So wall it always broadcasts the message actually. So here wall welcome to goals. So we'll be using this example. So let's take few example about job scheduling. So let's say I want to run a script on the 23rd June 7 p.m. So entries would be like this. In minute 0, in hour 19, then day of month it is 23, and June means 6, and star means any day, and the command, so sh and the script name. This would be the entry. Then one more example, I want to create a user on 15th May 3 a.m. Okay, so entries would be 0 in the minute, 3 in hours, then 15 in day of month, then 5 month of year, and star means I don't know what would be the date on that day. So I can put star over here, and mk user goals. So mk user is the command in AIX to create a user goals. Okay. One more example, from 15th May to 22nd May, I want to run a backup command at 6:15 p.m. So entries would be 15, 18, then 15-22 because 15th May to 22, 15th May to 22nd May, I want to run that one. And then month is May, that's why 5 and star because I don't know what would be the day on those days, and a backup command. Then next example is on 22nd, 24th, 26th May, 1 a.m. perform mksysb. So to take the backup of a root VG in AIX command is mksysb, and entries would be 0, 1, 22, comma 24, comma 26, then 5 and star mksysb. Okay. Now task for you. So let's say I want to run a script after every 5 minutes. So this is the task for you. You can write your answer in the comment box of this video. Let's do the practical. So to do the practical, let's access our AIX server, and here we have AIX 7.2, and to access that, cron tab hyphen L. First, it will list you all the scheduled jobs in a cron tab file, and to make an entry in a file, you have to fire the cron tab hyphen E command to edit that one. But before that, let's fire the date command. So it's 1826, 15th April. So let's schedule a job for 1828. Okay. So for that, cron tab hyphen E, here go to the last line and 28, 18, 15, 4 star I'll give, and the wall command, and in wall, well done Avinash. Okay, save this file and then wait for the 1828. Perfect. So you can see that. Well done, Avinash. So job has been executed successfully. So this way we schedule a job in real-time environment. Now let's see some other commands available in AIX related to the job scheduling. So you can read the man page of a AT command. So AT is also available to schedule a job. So runs command at a later time. You can go through the man page of this one. Then man batch. So batch is also supported in AIX, runs a job when the system load level permits. So if you want to execute a job whenever the less load available on AIX server, you can do this one. So we are done. Great. So if you have any question, you can write a comment in a comment box. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.